Welcome to another episode of the Fake News Weather Report, Alarmist style. We're going a little backwards, doing something a little different today. Looking at thewindy.com, a lovely free app that you can download. Just go to windy.com. And what are we looking at here? We're looking at the storm track of Florence, because there's a lot of places where you don't want to be on a boat with hunks. And there's going to be a large cone, this whole area. Stay out of these areas if you're going to be on a boat with Mark Wahlberg, George Clooney, or other hunks. Because as this moves closer to North and South Carolina, the seas are going to get higher, the winds are going to increase, and you will have many reasons to be frightened. We're going into Tuesday. It's getting more intense and more intense and more intense. Currently, the models, I'll let it play through, are expecting landfall on Thursday. Is it a battle between the Illuminati and the Druids? Is it a battle between Mexican necromancers and other sorcery? Haitian voodoo practitioners? Is it just an alien flyover? We may never know. We're going to try to figure it out. So let's look at the U.S. Doppler radar. And so basically, this entire region of the country, if you don't have things like hip waders, chest waders, scuba gear, wetsuits, inflatable rafts, rowboats, dinghies, catamarans, Spanish galleons, etc., get some, because it's going to rain, and then it's going to rain, and then it's going to rain some more. And when it's done with that, it's going to rain literally all week, especially in these areas. Meanwhile, right now, we've got some hard hat weather going on in Missouri, in Illinois, and in Indiana. These are places to run for cover and probably hide in a concrete reinforced building. Now, let's take a look at the NASA GOES water vapor map. We can see there's been another alien spacecraft flyover, and we're thinking that this ship went to warp. So let's see if we can draw in what happened here. Got some of this and this, something like that. Was it the Starship Enterprise? If it was going this way. All right, now we can see that there's a giant atmospheric river across the whole central part of the country. Take a look at that. Now, also the jet stream is way up here. Oops, the jet stream, please brushwork, there we go. The jet stream is way up here. And guess what it's causing? It's causing frost advisories in places like Maine, northern Vermont, and northern New Hampshire. Now, obviously, frost advisories are caused by global warming. So we've got dry air is in control in the west, very dry, not helping scenarios out there. Probably a reverse hail situation in this whole area. If you got any footage of ice cubes being sucked out of freezers, let us know. And that's about it. So let's have a close-up of what's going on currently in the central Atlantic, which is going to be the source of a lot of destruction, according to most models. Here we have Florence. It's not Florence Nightingale, because it's not going to heal you. It's going to hurt you instead. Check it out. The winds aren't super high right now, but the models aren't very nice. Now remember, when boating in the central Atlantic, don't drink. And if you drink, don't boat.